So my brother here, we all know we already read the that's not my town, right? So my brother is back. Say hi again.
Hello?
So you know every how we don't read that's not my tractor, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you ready to read?
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright, that's not my tractor. Engine is too bumpy. That's not my tractor. Tractor is too rough. That's not my tractor. It's too smooth. How I made and using how you die, how many how white and supply. How white is rough and supply is rough too. So it is supply that will to see you, alright. That's not my tractor. It will or do whiskey. That's not my tractor. She is too she. That's my tractor. It has white wrap. It also shiny. What is dull? So, do you know Mr. B? Yeah, Mr. B is rich, you know? At the end. So make sure you hot that subscribe. Make sure you see you then. Super.